Mom used to make me frittata sandwiches. For dessert, blueberry and mascarpone turnovers. And today I'm going to use what I call fusilli, but sometimes they're also called rotini. We're going to cook some spaghetti, yes. Today I'm actually going to use a little Pinot Grigio, because I've got a lot of Pinot Grigio in my fridge. Top it with all these ingredients, and then time to eat. Let's try this pasta. But there's something about that beer. I did. And I also said this is where we get a lot of gelato, and this is where we get the pizza. And I love the little ridges on the fusilli. They're also known as corkscrew pasta. Round pizza dough piled with fillings and folded into a pocket is called a calzone. There it is.
You're wrong.
I'm going to stick a little cube of the smoked mozzarella. Perfectly al dente. I just crumble the pancetta. 5 fillets of anchovies. And anchovies are just these little fish. In the meantime, I'm going to make my raw salsa. Now for my favorite cheeses, some provolone. Whole wheat spaghetti with lemon, basil, and salmon. And I'm going to add some orecchiette. All right, so I finished my lemon lime custard and I put it over an ice bath, basically a bowl of ice, just to cool it down. Now you're styling. Want to make sure that there's enough liquid and moisture in the sauce to actually cook the panette. Is add half a cup of ricotta. Before I toss it, I'm going to also add the pasta. Panini make great baby shower food. My amaretti torta.
Scusi, rabbit a boopy?
Then I pile on the salami, provolone cheese. Then I grab the chocolate gelato. And we need some mozzarella cheese, of course, that we grated earlier. Plus Japanese soybeans called edamame.
They do at Scusi in Chicago.
Scusi!
Yes.
Do you know what that means?
Excuse me.
Yes!
Excuse me, yes. Sure.
You speak some Italian. That's
I don't.
great. We need some butter for our gratinata on top. Save the best for last with my chocolate ricotta pie. Oh, the alcohol has been absorbed in the spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Spaghetti? Is that how you say it?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh.
And remember, it's a half frozen dessert. That is why it's called a semi-freddo. I've got a great menu planned, including farro. Then I puree them with creamy mascarpone cheese and a touch of mint. Seared salmon with pureed peas and a lemony brodetto broth. Here comes the little twist or surprise. Some limoncello. It's loaded with flavor, and the crispy pancetta really takes the herb sauce up a notch. Toss it all together, and this antipasto salad is ready to eat. And then a little bit of assaggio. 28-ounce can of chopped Samarzano tomatoes.
Roma è un molto interessante città. Now,
Città.
Città.
Yeah.
Not città, it's città.
Yeah, not cheetah. Città.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?